Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making egusi soup, so sit back and let's get started. Please like this video and share. Thank you. In a pot I've got my preferred proteins. You can use any proteins of your choice, and I will season with seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I will mix well to combine and allow it to steam cook for 10 to 15 minutes without adding water. 15 minutes later, I check on the proteins and add my pre-cooked cow foot and stockfish fillet. I will add the stock from the cow foot, more water, cover and allow it to cook until soft. Once the proteins are fully cooked, I will set aside and move to the next step. To make the soup, I will add palm oil in a pot and allow it to heat up. I will proceed by adding my grounded crayfish and the iru. I will fry for a minute or two. Next, I will add my grounded egusi paste. Just add water in your grounded egusi, mix well, and you get your egusi paste. I will mix well to combine and allow it to fry. Mix now and then so that it doesn't burn. Once the egusi is well fried, it will look exactly like this. I will proceed by adding my blended Scotch bonnet pepper. I will mix well to combine and add my proteins as well as the stock. I will add grounded uziza seed because I love the flavor in my egusi soup. You can skip it if you don't like it. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to cook. Few minutes later, I check on the soup and the consistency is perfect. I'll proceed by adding my grilled mackerel fish. I will mix well to combine and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I will add my vegetable. I'm using fresh ugu leaves. You can use any vegetable of your choice. More crayfish and all-purpose seasoning. I will give it a good mix. Cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes.
Delicious.
Once that is done, our egusi soup is ready. You guys, this method is no fail. Your egusi will definitely turn out well. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.